Project Trees had been developed out of the performance Dancing Trees, original site-specific performance that Jadranka and myself directed and devised together with a group of artists, with an aim to raise awareness about the importance of the trees, especially in relation to the climate changes. What we realized was that the trees are so important in the life of this planet, and simply if there are no trees, there would be no humans, there would be no us. And our feeling as artists was actually confirmed by the scientists and experts with whom we collaborated in order to create this performance.
So we thought like what art can do more in order to sensitize the common people, audience, wider audience about the important question. And in that way we used the performing arts tools, obviously created the theater dance performance, aiming to wide audience, outdoor performance, playing the park, public park, where there are a lot of people, passers-by, intending the audience, children, so the audience of all ages, with the aim to sensitize our audience to see the trees in different way, to start to look them in different way. In that sense, we use, of course, music, dance, light design, video projections, and we were hoping, and the performance proved it, that at the end of the performance, our audience was trying to observe this park in a different way.
And as we communicated with our colleagues from different theaters and from different fields around Europe, we realized in fact that we shared the same issue, that it was not just our issue, because we were very worried, and we are still very worried about the situation regarding the trees in Belgrade, because, for example, the city center is transformed into oasis of concrete, and we used to have parks and trees and so on. But we realized that our colleagues in different European countries, Greece, Ireland, Holland, Norway, Spain, also share the same issue in different ways. And we realized that the issue of preventing of the trees is very linked to political issue, it's linked to different fields of contemporary lives as economy, sociology, science, of course, and so on.
So it was obvious that this project has to be wider, has to be more complex, not only the performance itself. We, in the beginning, already created a set of actions, and this was applied also in this European Trees project that we are trying to promote even more. And this is roundtables, for example, with climate change experts, together with the citizens, together with the artists of different fields, where we can really hear about the facts, scientific facts, and how we can get ideas to present them more, because they are not enough known, and how through the different arts we can transform them in the tool to communicate to the audience. As well, we already in the beginning decided that we want to have documentary film, which was done, and this documentary film serves obviously to promote further this project that unfortunately from its first initiative until today is even more and more important. Climate change is the subject that we have to talk even more in order to stop this very negative tendency. Otherwise, we will be facing really danger for the planet as a whole.
And when we were starting to devise the whole project, Trees, then we understood that in fact Bach Theatre has the very important methodology that can share with our colleagues how to create the site-specific performance that would raise awareness about the importance of the trees in order to activate citizens and audiences in different contexts. So So we created a whole methodology that our partners are also using, and we got amazing result of having 7 original performances with the same topic on the trees, of course in different contexts. And we are also having many different other tools as the platform, as the website, and as e-learning course and so on, because we would like really to share our findings with people who might be interested, and we think this is so important theme that many people should be interested in this, and also to inspire broader audiences really to take action in their hands.